Welcome back to another Promob video. In this video we're going to show you how to import a model from 3D Wearhouse into your Promob Plus Professional. Now there are a few things that you need to know. You need to obviously log into your 3D Wearhouse account. You need to download a file which will show you, and you have to download a particular file, otherwise it doesn't always work when you try and import it into Promob. So what we're going to do, we're going to come across over here. In the all categories I've already put in the path that I was looking for that we found, and what we're now going to need to do is we've got it here, but I now need to download it. So the way to download it is you come across to the little arrow, you click on the download button, and the one that you want to download is the SketchUp 2019 model. This one will work 99% of the time into Promob. If you use any of the other ones, sometimes they don't work because they're using different meshes and things. So the one that you want to download is the 2019 model, and all you do is you click on it and it'll start downloading. I've already got it, so I'm going to close that. And once you've actually downloaded it, you're then going to be able to start with inside Promob. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into Promob, and here we are inside Promob. So what we're going to do now, we're going to import that file that we've just downloaded. And the way to do that, we're going to come up to the top here, we're going to go into our 3D importer, click on there, and we're going to tell it where the file is, where we downloaded it. Now mine is quite simple, I've just put it straight into here, there it is, we'll click OK, and it's now going to pick up that file for me and bring it in. So what I'm going to do is say forward, carry on working with your Promob. I normally just leave it open so I can work on it, and it's going to start bringing it in. Now what happens with this is it automatically is going to give a dimension. It's going to be tiny, don't worry about it, we can change that afterwards. I've already created a new folder, I'm just going to put it into wooden leg because that's what it is. Keep everything else as is, and I'm just going to say forward. And this can take a bit of time depending on the model, the size of the model, and then it'll pop up and it'll say, usually it'll say done. If it can't work, it'll say that it hasn't been able to import. So finish, and you'll see attached to my mouse, you'll see there's a little green line which is actually the leg. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to highlight it, and by zooming in a little bit, you're going to see it's the leg. Now if I come across over here, let's make this 35. Okay, we're going to make the height, let's make it 870, nice and tall, and at the moment it looks like a flat stick, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say 35. And you'll see now that it's actually imported the leg for us. Obviously with this we can add a color to it, so if we wanted a particular material we could actually click on our material area, we could go down to a particular color maybe that we wanted, so we could go to, I'm just going to put a hard cherry, something like that, put it on, and now we've got our wood leg. Now once you've actually brought it in, the advantage that you've got with this is you can right click, go down to add to favorites, and now we can put this in. So we could call it leg 2 because I've already got one in there. You could obviously call it whatever you want. I'm just going to copy that like this, and now I'm going to say forward, and it's going to let me, and in here I can move it the same way as I do in my 3D model. So using your mouse you can actually click and you can move it to however you want to see it. You can also change down here, you could change the quality, you can even change where the light position is and how light and how dark you want it. I'm going to leave it like that, so forward, And I'm just going to have a look here. Have I got one for any legs? Yes, I have. So I can just click on the leg folder, which I've created. So these are all ones that I've created in the past. And I say finish. And that now, if I come up to my models and I go to my favorites and I can go to legs, there it is. I can bring it in. And there's my leg. Obviously I can still change the size and everything else. And this was a leg that I did the other day, just to show you, very similar. And there's a different type of leg. So again, you can save them, you can recreate them and use them however you like. I hope this video has helped. As I say, there'll be more videos coming, but this is just a quick video just to show you how to do an import into Promob. Thank you for watching. Please like the videos on YouTube that I put up and keep an eye out. There'll be more coming.